Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to create a virtual background studio for your videos, step by step using Leonardo AI and CapCut. Let's get started. From Google search, type Leonardo AI. Then you click Get Started. Then you click Image Creation. As you can see, we have a bonus point of 150, so we are going to use it to generate whatever thing we want it to do. So you just type Generate YouTube Studio or whatever thing you want to type. You just type on it and then it will create your imagination for you. Just type your imagination in there and it will create it for you. These are some of the YouTube studios that the Leonardo AI has generated for us. So we're going to choose the best from them. You select your preferable YouTube studio from the generated studios. Then you save it. Once you're done saving it, you go to Google, you type CapCut. So once you type CapCut, you either use the CapCut app or you use the CapCut web. From the CapCut here, you upload the virtual background that you created with Leonardo AI, and then you click and upload it. Then you upload the video that you've already created. On your right hand side, you click Smart Tools, and then you click Remove Background, and then Auto Remover. It will remove the current background of the video, and then we are going to change it to put a new one that we downloaded from Leonardo AI. From the background remover, you click Add Overlay, and then you upload the background that you want to change. So you drag it down, and then you adjust the video that you've already created. You drag it and adjust it properly to fit in the middle. You arrange it properly. Just play with the tools there, drag it along and put it properly. Adjust it properly to fit in the middle, and then you drag the image all the way. You drag the background all the way to the end of the video, so it will be at the same length as the video. Hello everyone, my name is Houston John. On this channel, we are dedicated to helping you excel on YouTube, whether it's practical tips, creative ideas, or insightful analysis. We've got you covered. Once you're done, then you click Export, and then your background that you've already generated will be saved. Then you can now upload it to your YouTube videos. Now that you know how to create a virtual background studio for your videos, next week I'll be teaching you mistakes to avoid for fast monetization. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next week.